Hey everybody, welcome back to Days Well Spent. Got some leaves on me there. So today we're going to get in the new hive that we started this year. I split the hive because there's a lot of queen cells in the old one and we were worried about it swarming. So far it's been really successful. It's grown. The bees are strong, as you can even see. It's kind of mid-morning, but I need to get ready to possibly put another honey super on it. In order to do that, I got to get in the hive and I got to look at the frames. Should be about 80% full, and then you can add another honey or another brood box. This one won't produce honey this year. It's just too young, but I do want it to get established enough for it to make it through the winter so that next year we can get honey. So anyways, that's what we're going to do today. Start taking it apart and let you watch with us. Got the smoker going, real nice smoke going today. Here's the new brood box in case we need it. We're going to set it down there so it's ready to go. If we don't need it, that's fine, but I don't want to be out here and have to run inside and get a brood box later. Yeah, that is some strong smoke today. Wow. Look at the top, you can already see bees in there. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. They're already starting to buzz. As you can see, are completely empty. I haven't even started building that. Same with this, nothing. So with 10 frames, I got 2 empty, one that's just barely started. That's I'd say that's 70%. Not quite ready. Alright, so they're starting to build that out. That's not too bad. But still, here you can see that nothing's really happening. So now we're down to 60% basically of frames. Next one over. Oh yeah, we're starting to get some capped off honey right there. This side's beginning to grow. They've got plenty of growth availability with what they've got right now. There we go. There's brood in there in the middle, capped off brood. Looks real good. Here's the back side. Yeah, looks real good. You can see if I can get it. You can see inside of some of the holes here. Like there's little babies right there. Yeah, looks good. There you go. There's a queen cell. Not a swarm cell, but a queen cell. They'll make them. It doesn't mean they'll use them, but they will make them. Alright, well, we didn't get to see the queen, but the hive looks good. It's not built out enough though to put another brood box on, unfortunately. That's how it goes. All right, everybody. Well, I hope that was interesting. Again, in case you didn't hear, it's about 65% filled, so we're not ready to put a box on. We're just going to let that hive go for a while again. Settle the bees down here some. That'll help get them back in the hive. And this was built from our main hive, so I'm real happy about that. We'll check again here in a month or so and see how they're going. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope it was educational, and be sure and visit our website at dayswellspent.com. And if you like stuff like this, give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it.